Hey guys, this is Phil Town. It's rule number 1 and it's time for a QA. Let's talk about what is going on out there. What's on your mind?
Mike from Facebook asked, what are your feelings on ETFs?
Okay, Mike, well, that's right to the point. ETFs are exchange traded funds. For everybody who's not sure about what an ETF is, exchange traded funds are essentially big baskets of stock that track typically another index. Okay, so for example, the most famous ones are DIA, which is called diamonds, and that tracks the Dow Jones Industrial Average. So it's a basket of the Dow Jones stocks that pretty much tracks what the Dow Jones Industrial Average is doing, and you can trade it just like a stock in and out. Another real famous one is SPY. This one tracks the S&P 500, and also you can just trade in and out. In fact, that particular one, SPY, is one of the biggest traded stocks in the world. You know, millions and millions of shares every day. So it's tracking the big indexes. Another one is QQQ. That one tracks the NASDAQ, the tech stock 100 index. And another one that we like a lot is the Russell. That one is called the IWM, and it's tracking the Russell 2000, which are the small cap stocks. So those are the ones we like to use a lot to kind of get an idea of what the market's doing. We do trade them. We don't invest in them because investing means we have an opportunity to buy something at a huge discount to its real value. And you know, those things, while they might go on sale once in a while as an entire index, if they're on sale as an entire index, there's probably companies in there that I can find that I really understand, that are well within my canyon, that are way more on sale than the index as a whole. So we tend to not invest in these things on a long-term basis, but we do trade them, and we trade them often using options. So in fact, we love to trade the Russell 2000 using options in a very high probability cash flow strategy. So that's about how I use them. A lot of people invest in them entirely. A lot of professionals use ETFs all the time as a way of hedging other positions. You can certainly do that. So there's a lot that goes on around ETFs, but in general, we just use them as an indication of what the market's doing. So thanks for watching this one, you guys. Thanks for participating in the Q&A. I'd love to continue this conversation. ETFs are very interesting. So what's the biggest insight you're getting from this? What are your comments on that? And even more important, what can you do right now? What can you execute right now from what you've just learned? So leave me a comment below. Let me know, and we can continue our conversation. I'm Phil Town. It's time to go play.